I'm gonna get right to the chase. You've got so much which you have to do, but you always end up wasting way too much time. You want to just relax and chill out, but you know the guilt would consume you later on. So, what do you do? You want to procrastinate, and you already know that you've got two options. You either gather up your willpower and using all your might and strength, push yourself to do the task, or surrender to your desires, let the weakness in your heart consume you, and waste your precious time. You see, the first option is quite clear. It's the logical thing to do. If you feel lazy or like you're giving up, you should just clear your head and focus on the task at hand, right? But what if you can't do that? What if you can't find that motivation you need? Should you just relax and waste your time? Well, yes. Tell me, what's better? Enjoying a few hours while the world around you burns, or staying stuck in that zone where you're neither chilling out nor doing your task? You want to procrastinate, but you're not. You're basically procrastinating your procrastination. If you don't have the desire to do something, but you still feel like you should do it, you're just going to end up achieving nothing. Now, I'm not saying you should just go ahead and waste your time when you feel a bit lazy. And yes, you should train yourself to be able to disregard all distractions purely by will, but it takes time and effort to get to that point of self-discipline. So if you've had a bad day or just can't find any energy, don't hesitate to procrastinate. Obviously, this method only works in the long term. If you're extremely tight on time, you can use any methods necessary to make yourself focus, even if they may seem harsh or inhumane. However, in the long run, while steadily working to ignore your false desires, procrastinate for the greater good. I call them false desires because you've only fooled yourself to want them. Your natural desires have been overshadowed by those you have deceived yourself with. Your true instincts would eventually reclaim control over your thoughts if you do not hinder yourself. Allow yourself to find the truth you've always known. It's also better to set a dynamic schedule with a set of goals over a period of time than setting a strict one. This way, it's your mood that sets how you groove along your day, but you have to take things lightly and relax. It's also a lot better if we wake up really early because we're a lot more productive during daylight. This way, even if you end up wasting your entire morning on absolutely nothing, well, where's the problem? You're still in the morning, your entire day is the morning. Time is infinite. It's important to understand that time is absolutely irrelevant. Maybe allowing yourself to take that break at the beginning can set you in a good mood. And maybe, just maybe, you'll finally be able to focus and finish your task. Or maybe you'll just actually end up wasting your entire time and regret it later. I don't know. Just do what you feel like you want to do. So the next time you hesitate to procrastinate, just follow your instincts, my friend. It's important to understand that time is absolutely irrelevant.
We should stop.
Yeah. It's gonna be. Was my tone dead in the video? Oh fuck man. Tell me, what's better? Oh fuck, what's better? What's better now? You can't look at the setup, just look at the setup, okay?
I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna read the whole thing.
It's not that. خلاص يا عمي, don't worry.